Hi guys, what's going on? This is Moto here, and today I'm just doing a quick video on my toolbox that I bought from Halfords about 3 months ago. I just thought I would go over this and kind of show you the quality and what tools I have. So yeah, it is inside at the moment. I just took it back from the garage it was at. So may as well start. Up here on the top is kind of just junk, like general kind of stuff that never gets used really, apart from these, but they're dead. Some drill bits and some attachments for the drill, wire brush, and just a measuring tape. So here we have three drawers. There's three small ones up here, up the top. Very good. They're on like nice ball bearing runners. I find it really nice. Very smooth. I like that. Here we have just very small kind of, if my camera will focus, which it won't, small screwdrivers and what have you. I'm using my DSLR for this, so the quality should be better. Here we have just my Allen keys and just a bunch of Allen keys really, not much else. Then if I could leave that. Here we have just a bunch of bike attachments, so a bunch of like bolt sizes and etc. Quite good. They're handy, but not used very often. So here I have all my spanners from 6 all the way up to a 22. Then here we have this is empty. This is just double sizes that we have. So double size are put down there if I have 2 or 3 of them. Here we have just my hammers and ratchets, wire brushes, long nose, needle nose pliers, file. So getting down onto the better stuff, we have bunch of kind of more screwdrivers and things like that. Probably should organise them, but never got around to it before this video. Screwdrivers. So that's that. Here we have a socket set. Doesn't really get used that often. I have another one, a main one over here that I'm going to show you. We have vice grips and we have adjustable wrench. Don't know, I couldn't think of the name there. And down on the bottom level is empty. I have nothing to put in there at the moment. I must find something to put in there, but nothing really as of yet. So that's the toolkit from Halfords. It looks pink in the video, but it's not actually. Very good quality. Wheels are good, etc. So I'm just going to bring you over here. This is another toolkit I have, bought from Halfords. This is just a big socket set really. You got adjustable spanners there, they're handy. Deep sockets, normal sockets up to 32mm I believe it is, if this will focus. Yeah, 32mm is the biggest you can get in the kit. Good kit overall as well. Like I say, sorry, it's inside and not in the garage, but I only brought them home from a mate's garage there. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to comment, rate and subscribe. This was my tow chest.